TikTok is about to change the way you binge watch forever, as the video giant is teaming up with the Sundance Institute to launch a massive new writing hunt. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. TikTok and Sundance are scouting the globe for the next generation of digital drama kings and queens. Forget long Hollywood movies, this is all about the Microseries. If you've ever wanted to write a gripping, addictive show told in bite-sized clips, this is your golden ticket. The two powerhouses are serving up a free 4-week online bootcamp later this year. They want to give internet creators the ultimate tools, insider tricks, and masterclass secrets to turn simple ideas into viral, serialized masterpieces. The best part? It won't cost you a single penny. Applications are open right now to anyone across the world via the Sundance collab website, but you have to hurry because the deadline slammed shut on July 1st. This huge announcement dropped at the star-studded Vertical Media Summit as the bite-sized drama craze explodes. TikTok is already proving to be a massive hitmaker, and it's recently launched the exclusive mega-hit Screen Time from Hollywood powerhouse Issa Rae. The higher-ups at TikTok say original microdramas are finding massive audiences faster than ever before. Meanwhile, Sundance chiefs are also buzzing, calling the short-form style a thrilling new craft that gives writers total creative freedom. They want creators to stop looking at the phone screen as a lesser version of TV and see it as the new wild frontier of showbiz. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.